Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and of course if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you leave me a comment. As usual, I've already buffed these nails and the nail tips and have applied the base coat by Model Ones on each one of them to prep them for my artwork. Just to let you know right off the bat, the silver foil flakes that you see in the left of the screen and the Beetles glitter polish I decided not to use, so I just wanted to let you know. This is how they look so far. So pretty. So I'm gonna apply a matte top coat just on the red to kind of tone it down a little bit, but I'm gonna leave the white sparkly glittery part shiny. I'm going to be using the Macart foil glue. This is my first time ever using it. I've had it for a little while. I'm excited. It actually works really well. I'm not going to go for any particular design. I'm just going to put some splotches on here, just little like specks. And you don't want to make this very thick. I noticed on another nail that I was doing, I had it on kind of like more like a bubble, and it didn't act right in the lamp, and it caused a hole in the center of it. You want to make sure that you cover the areas where you put the foil with a top coat, even if it's a matte top coat, if that's your choice. I'm doing this with the Model 1's um, no wipe shiny top coat. It just makes them stand out. They're so pretty. Once you put that on, it just really pops. It's awesome. Here they are all finished. They're so pretty. The random spots, it could have been a shape or something, I mean, it gave me some ideas for some other designs. I've seen people do different things with this, and I mean, it's a lot of fun. It's really easy. Um, yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave me any comments, any other ideas you have. I'd love to hear it.